The broadcast is now starting. All attendants
Guys, good
are in
morning.
listen-only mode.
Can I get a sound check, please? All right, great. Thank you. God, GoToWebinar is just torquing my jaw. In any event, guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. It is March 23rd. It is the day after FOMC. We've got it. Yeah, we just got a bot trade here on the ES. So yesterday was the overreaction. Today we'll find out what they feel or what they think, and we may get a little smoother trade today. I have no idea. I'll quickly address our dog's passing, which was not just it was an extremely traumatic event for my wife, and she is doing okay, not just because the dog passed, but the manner in which he passed. She went through an extremely traumatic event. She actually had to pull over on the side of the road on the way to the vet to give him mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, which she did on the expressway. But in any event, the vets did everything they could, including CPR, and there was nothing they could do. But I appreciate y'all asking, and I do appreciate all of the emails and the texts and the kind words. On to business, fellas. On to business. Yesterday was a wipeout. We caught a couple of nice trades in the afternoon. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Today is day 4 of your trials. Of course, trials will end tomorrow. I apologize, but I did not send out an email yesterday. I had the room open until 4, and then, of course, I had to take care of my wife, who, no, unemployment claims is not a burn one to earn one. No. I mean, unless it's skewed hugely in one direction or the other, but no, I would say no. In any event, bot totals. ES has taken 2 trades, this long and now this short. Again, it is a one contract bot, so it comes off at first target. The ES bot is currently up $150. Crude is in a trade long, has neither gone to stop or target. It is the only trade it's taken, and that was at 7:11, so almost an hour in this trade, and it's basically done very little. NASDAQ is currently up $425. YM is up 280, but missed the short on the Unirenco trade. And gold is currently in a short, and it's not really gone anywhere. The short fired at 7:05, so an hour in this short, and we've managed to get about 8 ticks at best. So gold is flat at the moment. Today is Thursday, so we will have natural gas inventories. I have not traded a natural gas bot in many, many, many months, maybe 3 now. So it's irrelevant to me, but if you're trading a natural gas bot, you may not wish to run it on inventory day. Your prerogative, of course, but do as you see fit. It's also, we have continuing and initial jobless claims at 8:30, and I do not think that will be a big market mover. Anything that goes on is going to be overshadowed, of course, by yesterday and how that's digested into today. And, of course, if we have any Fed speakers, I don't know that we do or do not. I'll look. Wednesday, Thursday. I have no doubt that one of these speakers is going to show up today. Nobody is scheduled. No scheduled speakers today, but it would not shock me that somebody shows up impromptu to give their 2 cents on yesterday's 25 bip rate hike. So be aware. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. And I won't bother turning my bots off for continuing in initial jobless claims. Morning, Albert. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, I'll put them on the screen. I mean, every bot is in a trade currently. What I'm saying is the casinos know that if you sit there for 5 hours, you are going to lose everything you've made and then some. You will be into your own pocket. Apex knows this too. Why do you think they limit payouts? Why do you think? Because they know if you make $6,000 this month and take 2, the likelihood is next month you will probably blow up the account, or the 3rd month. If any of us are fortunate to get to the 4th month, well, then if you make $10,000, great, you can take it. So I don't know what that move was about. So the goal only needs to be a couple $100 a day, which is still $1,000 a week and $4,000 a month, right? That's it. $4,000 a month gets you $1,500 in your first paycheck. All right, well, that's not the greatest amount in the world, but it's still $1,500 that you've earned, right? It's yours. The second month, if you continue to do that, you get another $2,000. But again, if you trade across 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 accounts and you only do $200 per account, I mean, that's one trade. Then, of course, by month 4, you may be taking 2,000 or 3,000 across 4 or 5 accounts. So there's no reason for anybody to excessively trade or overtrade a PA account. Now, funded accounts, okay, I get it, right? They're $36 on the 80% off sale. Yeah, let me throw a freaking 8-bagger on and see if I can get 20 handles. Bang, passed. But remember one thing, guys. Whatever habits that you develop carry over from those combine accounts to the PA accounts. So if you get into the mindset that, yeah, you know, this account is down $900, I'm going to try to get it back in 2 trades. you may find yourself doing that with a PA account. So beginning Monday, we are going to focus on PA accounts. I'm going to ask who's trading a PA account. The one piece of advice that I would suggest, do not trade, and I'll go over this Monday, do not trade a PA account for the first hour of trading, maybe first 30 minutes anyways. We want the market to slow down. We want levels to be honored and respected. Well, you could trade micros, sure. And that's another thing. And again, I'm wanting to do education on Saturday, but I don't know if I'm going to be in town. And I won't know until Friday night late. So I can't schedule education for Saturday. But what I think I may do is I may be able to do education on Saturday. Yeah, I love micros, and I've come to really like trading micros and adding in to positions and then scaling out on moves. I think that that's a great way to go. I think it makes more sense until you get, if you've got a PA account and you're at, $55,000 or $54,000, so you're over that 52.6. And you want to start trading minis, I think you can. But initially, I think look, guys, it's a grind. Trading is a day in, day out grind of building an account over time. In any event, just waiting on the news, and then we'll see what we get, and we'll get after them. I am trading the first account that I am trading, this Apex account. This account I've traded 5 days. Today will be 6. I am at 52,976. So I need, let's call it $25 plus a ticket fee to pass this account. So I'll clear this today. I'll clear another one tomorrow. And then I have 2 accounts left that are not PA accounts. So I'll trade PA accounts with you guys as well. Oh, thank you, Chad. I appreciate that, man. But again, I'm going to start tracking. You have a good in California, a guy that trade. Yeah, listen, my goal, Ray, is $250 a day. It's 1-2 contract trade. And I'm done. I switch accounts. Yesterday I did it across 4 accounts. I didn't have the ability to trade any others. All right, well, we're not going to let that happen again. And I've blown PA accounts. I'm not going to lie. My style of trade oftentimes is not conducive. Look, I'm used to. I am more used to trading my account, and I can do what I want. The first hour would be 9:30 to 10:30, Nolan. Market open. Maybe it's the first 30 minutes. What we need is the market to expand the range and then consolidate within the range so that we know the range we're trading, right? So, we'll get past that point where the market is still in expansion. Yeah, I understand. And then when the market has kind of created the range and we settle into a range, it's a little easier to trade. Guys, we're just sitting. Everything is parked. I don't even know what we're looking for. So let me see what we're looking for here. Looking for 197,000 versus 192 and 1.69. So an increase in continuing and an slight increase in initials. I mean, if these numbers come in like, 250, 270, we're going higher quickly. If they come in lower than expected, no bueno. It's a miss. In line. Continuing is in line. All right. Well, that was a complete non-event. I mean, it looks like I lost data. It's so slow. Crude oil got target, fellas. Must have 17 tick. Yeah, that was 2 tick slippage. Crude got target. Jeff, I may have. I've been a little bit compromised, so I haven't. I haven't seen it, but I have a number of emails and I haven't gotten to. All right. You don't need to do that, Jeff. I'll go through my emails. I would ask that you don't do that because I will then have duplicate emails. If you send it, I'm sure I have. I'll try to get to emails today. Do. This is probably a small scalp, 13 and a quarter. I missed it. I'm going to try a 13 quarter with one contract. This is the account I need $25 on to pass the combine. No, missed it. May get it here. Oh. Talk about dead. I would try a long at 03 if we come down there. Broke down quick. Anybody grab gold? Okay. I mean, it was a quick move. Okay, Scott, good. Thank you, Paul. Nice job, Arjen. Paul said he's looked at all of these other companies and Apex is the least restrictive. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, they don't want to pay anybody. Let's just call a spade a spade. They don't want to pay anybody. They give the illusion of free money, but at no time does Apex or any of these other companies actually give you 50 grand to trade. At no time. It's an illusion, but it doesn't mean you can't make money and benefit from it. I've got the. Let me see what I did here, guys. It looks to me like we are going up, fellas. Tuesday is the new funding account I found. Oh, trades. That's it. Trade day. Did you recommend that yesterday? Jeff, did you tell me about that yesterday? Somebody gave me something to look at, and I think that may be it, trade day. I could be wrong. NASDAQ bot, guys, will be over 500 bucks. Well, maybe not. Let's do this. Now it will be. I'll use the break even here. It's over 500 bucks, I think. So that bot will be done. Let's see, Arjen, what you got here? Buell Knox, the second PA account, they only give when you pass the $3,000 profit and make the 2,500. Well, I mean, isn't that essentially what Apex is? Apex is the same. You have to make 3,000 bucks to pass the combine, and then you need to make $2,600 to kind of clear that trailing draw. You still need to make 5,600 bucks in the account before anything, right? They know that's you don't get the PA account until you pass the second combine, right? Is that what you're saying? I mean, listen, most of these funding platforms are all full of shit. They do not want to fund anybody if they can help it. All they want to do is rake in $36 times a million accounts a week. They don't want to pay anybody. Why do you think they make it so restrictive? Real traders don't trade this way. I mean, could you imagine a hedge fund having to trade for $200 a day? Come on. Can you imagine a hedge fund or a professional trader never taking draw? I mean, if I were to have done, thank you, Jeff. If I were, Mimi, yeah, I mean, if I were to have done, take profit trader. No, he said trade day. Maybe somebody recommended take profit trader. That could have been it. I don't recall, Barry. Somebody gave me something to look at. I wrote it down. Let's all put up the funds to start one and retire. We've got a member who will be starting a funded trading platform momentarily. No, he's not in the he's not US based, and his platform is MetaTrader. I mean, I think somebody should develop a trading platform, funded trader platform that allows traders to trade. I don't care if you say, look, you can only trade one contract. We're limiting you to one contract. There is no draw. Yeah, again, I mean, and I think, if I were going to do personally, if it were my platform, I would not allow burn one to earn one kind of thing or trading during news. I wouldn't allow that because it can go either way. I mean, it's a great way to get a quick funded trader account. There you go, bunch of targets filled. Ah, gotcha. As I said, they're all the same, guys. They're like insurance companies. They want the money. They want the money. They don't want to pay. Listen, I'm making them pay. They're paying me next month. I'm not taking anything until next month when I can collect on 6 accounts. But they're going to pay. $8.50 on Crackhead. I have $8.50, $3.50. Close enough for hand grenades. I mean, I don't know if that's the best way, Irfan, but it's the safest way, is with micros. You cannot really get hurt with micros. No, they haven't. You would think they would, Stuart. You would think that they would, but they may not know where all the funded accounts come from. They may not know what we've done or what I've done in the room. Yeah, you can do $300 a day in micros. But I would think they would want to reach out and say, "Hey, listen, let's do a webinar with your guys or something." Okay. You know they have someone doing that, Stuart? Monitoring what? Our room or monitoring? What are they monitoring? Yeah, well, they have an algorithm that monitors traders' consistency. We're going straight up to 880. That's what it looks like. You can try an entry long at 55. 55. I think I missed it. Didn't even hit 55. You can try it here as well. 63, 64. I would still take 55, 56 on a pullback. No good. It's going straight to 80. Above 80, we're going to blow the freak up. ES is above 401. ES, if this candle closes in 2 minutes, ES looks long to me to 408. ES long to 408. There's the 80 target on NASDAQ. Nothing I could do unless you wanted to buy the open. Nice job. Nice job getting your daily goal. You're welcome. I mean, that was a blistering, guys, they are buying them six-fisted right now. It's just straight buy. Straight, unadulterated buying. Next level up, 84. Nice job, Mimi. We're over 01. We're over 4,000. All right, NASDAQ just traded into decision time here at that 80. I think we get 86 for a small rejection if it gets back up there. You got 40 sellers in here, fellas. I would still try on a pullback 55 long if it comes back down there. Now it's 15, 17 handles away. Not going to get it. If this breaks out above 94, it's going 920. Above 894, we go 920. $94 is the key. Let me get this out of the way. Here's SPX. Nice gap up. What I'd like to see on SPX is a move up to 85 to 95 in a failure on SPX. But they're buying everything, guys. They're buying everything in sight. I wouldn't even attempt the short at 84 here in front of this train. It hit 84 quarter. The next place for a possible short is 96.50. But if we break 94, we're going to work to 920. I'll short 920. It's the only place that I potentially have to get in on a short is 920. At 84 would have worked, but man, I'm not standing in front of a train. Last time I sat on the train tracks, I divorced her. Little humor, fellas, little humor. ES is holding 4,000. We want to see 4,000 hold on the ES. I'm going to take ES long. If it holds us 4,000. Yeah. All right, I took one at 4,050. I don't want to see it break much below 4,000. I took one, and the target, I'm going to try to get 7. Some sellers showing up in the NASDAQ. Now, if this doesn't go, it could be a failed breakout above 4,000. Come on, don't lose 4,000. This has got to hold right here. 200-day moving average, 98.50, or this is a small loss. I'm out. $87 loss. NASDAQ long is at 55. And ES could hold here, guys, for all I know. I have no way of, no way of knowing. But I'm not going to let it. I'll take $87 hit. I can take a bunch of those and still live. If it makes a move back up, I'll look at it. Here comes that support level at 85. We do have some sellers, but they are small. I mean, 55. No fill. All right, I'm going to try this ES again, guys. This 4,000. All right, I tried ES again. Same spot. 7 is target. Stop needs to be 96. That's the real stop. NASDAQ's not going either. No. Come on. Come on, ES. Let's go. Let's go, NASDAQ. That's the real stop. It's 96. NASDAQ's breathing hard. $20 sellers here, guys. I mean, it's really small. Come on, NASDAQ, pop up. Let's go. YM's long on the bot. 38, 39 sellers. I mean, this is the key level, guys. If we can clear this, we could get a major squeeze here. Back up. Got to get above 0150, maybe 02. Come on, yes, you rat dog. NASDAQ trying to get a bid, holding minor support now at 62. I'm out of ES. I'm done wasting my time with that ES, unless it gets over 02. Out on YM. All right. Sellers. Got to hold here, guys. We broke that support. Got to pull up. Are you kidding me? You're going to hit me twice? This could roll over from here. 400 buyers. Still 1,900 net buyers, guys. Push here. Let's go. Got it. Closed. Out on the runner. Got to target one. That's it. Out on the runner. Out on the runner. Ow. $42 potential long now. 43. Initial support 45. All right, you turkey. What are you going to do? I'll pend ES at 0250. Yeah, I hear Bailey speaking. Thank you. I mean, ES filled 0250. I got target already. Out. Out. NASDAQ's going to get above. NASDAQ gets above this 83 and it's going to go. 83 is the key right here on the NASDAQ. I mean 93. 93. It stopped right at the break. 93 goes. This could go to 20. $600 buyers just came back in, fellas. You can try the long here, 88. 88. Call it 88 half. You got 700 buyers here, guys. $700. It's pushing this hourly crap, but we should get to 903, I would think. Come on, Chooch. This would be 88 half, call it right there. Five seconds to the next 3-minute bar. We got to get above this damn pivot again at 80, 79, 80. Come on, get up to 84. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here comes your entry. There's your entry. Come on. Let's get through that line. Let's go. $71 is support. Got small sellers in here. They're getting bought, but their small sellers are trying to press it back down to 71. Come on, sellers lose. Sellers lose. Come on, push here. You got 200 sellers in here, guys. They're getting bought. Sellers are trying like holy hell to get this price back down. And the buyers are, they're getting absorbed. There's absorption here. Just got to get through this last piece here, 91. Sellers are trying again. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. They bought most of the contracts back, fellas. They're trying. I mean, if this fails, 71 is support. 72, 71, 72. Small sellers here. I'm going to hold here. Nope. Am I buying 55 again? I don't have us in shorts. I would buy 45 to 50, yeah. Sellers won momentarily. I'm going to buy this here. This is why we don't trade. This is why we don't trade funded accounts in the first 30 to 45 minutes. Let these ranges expand. Got it. See if we can get a runner here. I got us in longs on all time frames, guys. YM got there we go. That 50 area is our support. Come on, get up through 75. Let's go. All right. Flat. 75 is now resistance, 50 area support. That's the little range we're trading in. Buyers coming back in. 76 long. Go or don't go. Don't care. Here it comes. Looks like it's trying, guys. I mean, we have buyers back in. They sold 1,300. Brought us down to 1,300 positive delta. We're back up to 16, almost 1,700 now. Here it comes. Okay. I got my second target out of there. It's pushing small 5-minute resistance. Come on, you're not going to fade here. There's 600 buyers again, fellas. There's target 1, and this could be the breakout. I'll put stop at break even. Flat. I'll look to take it again. Too many buyers. I have 42. I don't know if we pull back there. You got 800 buyers in this candle. We're back over 2,000 net buyers. I don't have any short unless we break below 46. And I don't know that we're coming down very far. I'll take it again at 79. Okay, filled me at 79. Small sellers, 17 sellers. Come on, Dingleberry. Now we're fighting 84. Right where our target is resistance. We've poked it. We've been through it. But we're going to have to get above that target, 84. Back to net buying, small net buying. New candle. Come on. That should have given us target. We got 82. Target filled. Another dink and dunker. I'm getting tired of this scalping bullshit. Let's get a run. Let's go. I'm on the close. Come on. Flat again. Flat again. This is the area, though, guys. Now I want to be long above 85. Call it 86. That would be my long. The pullback entry, 70. So pull back to 70 and a break above 86. 10 o'clock candle's coming, and I think that's going to be the one. So 70. That hit 70, I think, before I got my trade in. 86 on the top side. We're just chopping in this really small little area, guys. 2,200 sellers. I mean, net buyers. 70 is support. 85 is resistance. 80. So if we can, if we can break above that 5-minute double top, we're good. As long as ES holds, I mean, ES is a mess. ES is a mess up here. It's going to have to get above 8. I'm guessing whatever the move is, it's at 10 o'clock. Okay, long. Come on. We pushed up. There it goes. We pushed up to 87. Yeah, come on, you dope. I've got buyers, another 120 buyers, but we're putting in a lot of resistance up here, guys. Really needs to break out. Hourly is pushing through the standard line on the cloud. If the hourly can clear this coming into 10 o'clock, this sucker's going to rip like nobody's business. Got to break 87 quarter. Uh-oh. Say goodbye to your little friend. It pushed through. Say goodbye to your buddy. Come on, let's go. Another stupid target one. I guess we're going to crawl $100 at a freaking whack. Come on, get through that. Let's go. Strong resistance at 96. It's former daily support, now daily flat. Former daily support, now daily resistance. This is it through 86. This can go a long ways. 920. I have a target at 920. 920. New hourly candle, guys, in 23 seconds. And if this goes, this could be a trend day to 960. February new homes data and 10 o'clock candle in 1 second. There it is. It's a miss. We're breaking out, guys. We're breaking out. Come on. Let's go to 920. No, don't do that. Let's go to 920. Come on, dog. Got to get back up. Got to get through 10. 17 is where our target is. Come on, push through 10. All kinds of buyers, guys. 3,000 net buyers. 10 o'clock bar did it. 17 is target, fellas. 17. If you're long, 17. It's 20, but we want to come in ahead of that. No sellers. 3,100, 50, 40. Where'd we get? 1,250. Anybody catch that? Here comes another day high. Anybody catch that? Okay, Marcia. I told you guys it looked like a breakout on the 10 o'clock candle. There's 20. There's 20. Got resistance up here at 20. That's probably a good short, but hard to stand in front of 3-minute bars where they're buying 6, 7, 800 contracts. They're buying them 6-fisted. We're going to 960 today. All right. So the question now is, an ES broke out. So the question is, where do you want to get long now on a pullback? Right. Another funded account. Nice job. You're welcome, Doug. Okay, so we have 2 minutes to the next bar. And this is setting up for a trend. Now, I told you guys yesterday. So initial support is going to be at 90. I would buy 96 on a pullback. I don't know that we get 96, but I would buy 96. That was former daily support, became daily resistance, should now be daily support again, 96. 3,400 net buyers. Guys, I'm teaching as I'm trading. All right, there's 96. You're going through that? Kifach. What the Kifach? Get back above 96 and go like the little son of a gun you are. Come on, buddy. Pushing that resistance again. Come on. A lot of sellers. I'm inclined to take the loss. I'm watching it. Holding support, second level down at 90. That's what I'm watching, guys, is 90. It's too small an area for me to want to add in. There we go. Come on. It's got to push up here through 97. We get through 97 half, and we get targets, and then some. Push, you little rat dog. Give me some buyers. We're through 97. We should get target. Come on. Come on. Target filled, fellas. Another dinker for a hundo. Now run, baby, run. Give me the freaking trend day. Give me 920. And above 920 is 940. Let's go, 940. Who loves order flow, fellas? Who loves order flow? That's right. Run, Forrest, run. Let's go. Come on, Dingleberry. Guys, we're still sitting at 3,000 net buyers. Need to get above 07 and 12. 7 and 12, kind of our areas. There's 7. Push. Push. All right, I'm on the close. Some small sellers showing up. Come on. Give us the trade, baby. Give us the trade. Come on. This is what's stopping us, guys. That stupid little 30 range area. Right here. That's got to clear. We're turning up. Buyers. Now 12. Target now, guys, is 45. So let's shoot for 43. Couple handles ahead of the target. Nice job, Brett. Third funded account today. All right, so that's got to be support now, 07. This is what's got to go here, 16. And then we're free and queer. We should be cleared at 20. We just got to take out that swing. Guys, anybody that's funded an account today, I'll mark them as soon as I complete this trade. Got some sellers showing up in here. I'm on the close button. I'm not out yet. We have net selling in the 3-minute bar, but they're getting absorbed again. Sellers are trying to press them. Buyers are basically saying, we'll take them. We'll take them. I got you. Come on, pump up the jam, you little rat bag. Nice job, Lee. Got a bunch of guys got funded today, or a bunch of the room. Brett, Lee. Who else got funded today? Lee. David. Anybody else get funded today? I passed one today. Anybody else? I know there was somebody else that said they got funded. Here we go, fellas. Here comes Rippy. Rippy Dippy. Let's go. I hope you guys are holding the runner. Doug. Thank you, Doug. I knew it was another one. There isn't a goddarn room, guys, that does what we do. I don't give a shit what any of these liars say. They can't trade. They don't know how to trade. You're trading 4 PA accounts with only one lot, and you're up $900 on each. Nice. That's right. Buy side global. Get that chipper in there. Guys, I'm holding this till 43. And this could fund this account. $700 runner. Thank you, Modar. Come on, one more push. Let's go. We are at 3,900 and change on the net buyers. We're pushing former weekly resistance, or it is weekly resistance, former weekly support. This could be where we stall out a bit. So I'm on the close. I do have buyers. We've got some sellers creeping at this weekly resistance. Ed passed 3 more combines today. Come on, little fella. Come on. Arjan passed 1. I'll get them all written. I'm writing down the names. I'll get them in the thing. Come on, guy. 1 push for Duncan. Come on, 1 more push. We're consolidating just below the resistance level, right? It's former weekly, so this is fairly stiff. Here's the level. All right, I'm closing out. I'm flat. $1,300 on this account, guys. Let me see what that did for me. Oh, you rat bag. Hang on, guys. This account was at 51, and this is my 3rd day trading this. It was at 51,595 and had 1317.50. I'm at 52,912.50 on this. 52,912.50. So I need, let's call it $150. I need 1 more winner chicken dinner. Past means you reached your goal. Doesn't mean you've reached your certificate. You must not have been here at 8 o'clock this morning, Gordon. I starting Monday. Okay, Floyd. All right. Yeah, we're going to start tracking that on Monday. Guys, I need about $150 to pass my second today. And then I've got 5 a.m. West Coast is tough. Yeah, no joke. Kudos to you. Nice job, Jacques. Up 830 in a PA account. Next 5-minute bar in 30 seconds. That may be where I try to jump this. I'm going to take this long here on this extension. Come on, hold this. Let's go. No, not holding. Oh, I just made that a little tougher, didn't I? Come on. I killed it, guys. Oh, that was a mistake. 5-minute support is 24. I'll buy it at 25. This is where I like the long. Shit. This is where I was long. This is going to go through that, guys. I'm long 31. I'll add in on a pullback. This is the area, fellas. I would have had targets on the previous trade. There's targets. Back to where I was. I'm going to try a rejection trade short at 46. Selling 46. If it can get there. No. All right. It's still a valid short. We have no real selling pressure. 42.50. I didn't have a level at 42.50 to hit, so ES is going to 20. Between 20 and 25 is the ES short and a possible place for SPX puts. I like Q's, guys. I'll tell you this. I like Q's. Q calls. Here comes the short. 400. Oh, no. Are you shooting me? I missed by a damn tick. I'd have had targets. I missed by a tick. Cancel it. I like QQQ 312 calls, guys, because up here I mean, look, I don't have any significant resistance now until we get to 990, which is only hourly. I can check 240 now. It's 10 o'clock. And then 13,000. Let me just see what I have here. I go back 180 days on this chart. I don't have any reason. I don't have anything higher than what I've got going back 180 days. So I'm kind of, I mean, I'll have to go back yearly to see if I can find anything. If I can get QQQ to pull back to 311.27, I'm going to buy 312 calls. Clear? So here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a pullback to here, and I'll buy 312 calls. Gold is long on the bot. For those of you guys looking for a bunch of bot trades, it unfortunately is a fairly decent trend day, which makes it tough. 300 sellers, guys. Damn, I can't believe I missed that by a tick. $961 is the NASDAQ target, but I would like a pullback on, for purposes of what we're doing, 24 is the entry. So call it 25. Don't know if it get now. Now we got a new 5-minute bar. Oh, missed again. Got half sellers showing up. All right, there it is. Come on, I have to hold here. Let's go. Let's go, dog. Go get me some targets. Come on. Hunt. Hunt, baby. Hunt. Oh, that hit target didn't fill me. Hit me to the tick. Yep, sure did. You are a stink face, no good dog pony soldier. Hit me to the tick. Anybody get filled? Come on, rotate. Let's go. Give me buyers. Come on. Give me that stink. You are a rat bat. There's nothing there, guys. $30 quarter, I guess, is small resistance, but it's infinitesimal. If it gets above 30, I'm being a jerk for a couple of ticks here, and it's pissing me off. I'm on the close. I'm surely not going to take a loss. I'm out. Yeah, I don't care about it. I mean, if we start looking at trend lines, we can find them on every time frame. I'll buy 11 on a pullback now. 11. So call it 12. Got sellers showing up. There's some profit taking going on here. But 12, if we get 12, it should give us a bounce. No, come on. Come on. Nice job, Chris. All right, I'm going to take just missed the 12 entry. Come on. If this turns up, I'll go back in long on this trend line break here. Full candle close. I'll just hit market and leave the 12. But I've got to get through that. Back above my 24 entry. This is where, all right. I took it long, guys. At 20, I don't know where I'm long, 26. It's still pushing that damn 30 is still the problem for me. Now I can get 30, but I can't get the 31. 29 quarter. Come on. That 30 is still being obstinate little pain in the arse. Still won't give me 31. Anybody care to guess where the resistance is? It's 30. You are really twerking me. Got it. Got it. All right, guys. I think that puts me over. Bear with me 1 second. 51,595 plus 1527.5. 53,122.50. That's passed. I passed 2 today. I got one combine account left. That's it. Everything else is PA accounts. I'm going to start trading PA accounts now. Nice job, Stuart. You're welcome, man. Everybody doing okay today, guys? All right, fellas. Another day. March 23rd. Eight more today, guys. And David. So you have 3 today. All right. No, I did not, Joe. I didn't see your name pop up. My apologies. We broke out, guys. We broke out. Guys, we got a whole lot of funded accounts. Next week, we're going to start tracking who's trading how, because there is no reason to not get paid on these. If we hit the high of the day, that's the next breakout. There's the next breakout, fellas. Whoop. Yeah, I hit the wrong damn Dom. God dang it. I meant to hit my PA Dom. Oh well. Why are you nervous trading a funded account, man? You trade them the same way. You trade them the same way. Holding a runner from 25? Dang. Next 5-minute bar in 2 minutes, guys. We're going to 65, 66. You don't want to lose them. Then trade smaller size. Trade smaller size, guys. Don, you're nervous and you're just watching. That's funny. All right, guys. Support will now come in back at 33. Maybe 29. Let me change this account before I do the same stupid thing and add money to an account that's useless. Well, didn't I just change that? 16. Okay. All right, guys. I'll buy 29. See you tomorrow, Jeff. I'll buy 29. 30. I'll buy 30. All right, long 30. Now have to get back above 33.50. 33.50. Right where we're stopping, 33.50, 34. Got to get through that 33.50, 34. If we get topside here, if we get back above 37, this is going to go hooey crap. Come on. Let's make the move back up, big fella. This is it. This is your chance. Be a superstar. Buyers back in. All right, guys. Flat. Flat. Coming back to 20. Let's see here, Doug. What do you got? You started trading one contract, got funded on 5 accounts, ended up losing all 5 funded accounts. Now trading micros plus 250 to 375 per day, and you have 5 funded accounts. Nice job. Nice job. I mean, this is the area that I see as wanting to be long. Crude is coming down. Let me look at crude. I mean, gold, guys, is a long at 87.1 with target 1 at 88.5. Crude is holding this trend line that if it breaks, I don't have a place to get in on crude. Not short. I'm too late. NASDAQ, it's tired. Got to get back up through 37 to 40 to maintain this up move. My long, I would take the long again above 38. So above here is the long. Short of that, we're just consolidating. I like the long here. I'm going to try the long here, guys, at 28. I'm trying to scalp that little wick. No go. No go. All right, got it. Pull up here. Come on. Give me the target. Pull up. Pull up. Keep going, baby. Nope. 20 is support. Come on, push. Let's go. Push, right back. Push. Push. Come on. Come on, give me the target. Let's go. New candle. Oh, another one ticker. What in the holy hell? Come on. Seriously. There's target. All right, so this is we've got to get above here. Come on, push. Let's go. I'm out. Flat. I'm flat, but I still like the longs, guys. Got to get above 38. We're just working off overbought on the 10-minute, so we're consolidating. Everybody good, guys? I'm still bashing their brains in. I'm going to keep trading, guys. All right, 38 goes. I'll take a 39 long. Just above that resistance. This could be slow going, though. Just FYI. And the support is right about here at 30. I'm going to try to I'll add in at 21. 22. This is all consolidation, guys. 10-minute is way overbought. It's just working off overbought with sideways choppy trade. That's all we're doing in here now. Smaller time frames are overbought. We need the 11 o'clock candle to get above that 960 area. This current bar is a higher high and a higher low. Really needed to push back up through 40. So we've been as high as about 3,900 net buyers. We're now at 2,900. We've got about 1,000 contracts in profit taking, and we're trading sideways, working off overbought. Told you this would be slow going, and it's still going to be slow going. Really, if we can get one candle up through this mess, there it is. That should keep going, fellas. Kidding me? Another one ticker miss. Another freaking one ticker. Another one ticker. Come on, squeeze this, you rat bastard. Let's go. Small resistance coming up. It's not even resistance. This should really trade back up to 58 and then 68. So I'm trying to get 68. Let's call it 66. How about that? On the runner. Is everybody good, fellas? Is everybody good? Okay. If you guys are here on trial, I know I had at least one of my trials in, but if you guys are here on trial and tomorrow's the last day of trials, you are not going to find a room doing what we're doing here. You are not going to find a room detailing with exactness, trades, trading in front of you. No, gold opens at 820. 820. Come on. Push, rat bag. Here comes high of the day again. If we can get through this high of the day, this thing is going to be epic. 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 Back to 3,500 net buyers. Got to get through that high of the day, and this is going to be epic, fellas. I mean, this could go 990. No joke. Come on, we're 50 points away from 13,000. Who wants to see 13,000 today? Come on, buddy. Squeeze. Here comes the high of the day. Daily breakout, fellas. Oh, missed me by 3 handles? Seriously? Good enough for hand grenades. Everybody good? New day high, guys. Guys, give me 1 minute if you would. I'll be right back. I'm just going to get something to drink. All right, guys, I'm back. 74 is the next target up. We have to clear the previous high right here, 58 area, and hold it. Got to hold this 58 area. Support back at 48. Come on, got to get above 64. Almost. Let's go, buyers. Back to 36, 3,700 buyers, guys. Sitting on support here now, using the previous high as support. Using the previous high as support. All right. I mean, we can't keep buying up here, guys. We're getting in. I mean, we can, but we're getting in. We're getting into pretty rare air. Unfortunately for me, and I'm an idiot, this was the Q trade, right? I said if it pulled back here into 11, I would buy it. Here's my line, 11.27. We didn't get it. We got 11.39, but I wasn't watching. This is where we should have bought 312 calls. Nice job, Marcia. You know, I get caught up in trading and I can only watch so many damn charts. Even SPX is trying to break out. This would have been the long at SPX 83, but Q's was the trade today. SPY's not doing anything. Q's were the trades, guys. The Q's were the trade. This was the trade here on that tag. And a target is yesterday's high at 1461. That's where we're going. Once again, you're very welcome, Eduardo. Very welcome. Look at this. 95, 96. We're at 13,000, guys. Marcia funded 2 more accounts, guys. I've got one. Nice job, Marcia. Marcia's become our most patient trader. She just is a rock. Nice job. Caught that last rip in NQ and ES on PA accounts, up $1,069. Nice job. So I've traded my first PA account. Thank you, Marcia. No, that's not it. Is it? No, this is it. Sorry, guys. One contract trade. I've done 2 trades. That's my first PA account of the day. That's done. Now I got to work on more PA accounts here, guys, but I can't do any buying up here. There's nothing I can do up here. I'm not interested in buying, so I have to get a reversal. But who the hell wants to be short? I'll tell you where we're headed, guys. Are you sitting down? We're going to 13,040. I mean, the Q miss was atrocious on my part. I told you what I would do if we tagged that moving average, and I didn't do it. I missed the damn trade. I mean, that's atrocious. 13,060 if anybody has any runners. Got to get over 13,003. And this is this is a run. Next area of resistance is 05. Five seconds to the next bar closure, and support's going to come in right here at 97. That's support 97. Below that, it's going to be 91. You can buy 91 if you guys wanted to. 92. I don't think we're going to sell off from here. And we could, but I don't think so. 4,800 net buyers. I don't think so. They will try. My belief is they will attempt to trap buyers, the longs, European longs, but not for another hour. Got to get through this and then 03. Guys, we're almost to 5,000 net buyers. Got to get through this little bit of resistance. we've got a daily double top here, which I don't like. Got to get through 01 quarter. Oh, 01 quarter is the key. They're still buying them, guys. We're over 5,000. Some small sellers showing up, but new hourly coming in the next 8 minutes, and we are well above the pivots. I mean, this is free and clear to 225. I don't know about today, but barring some, yesterday's spike high was 077. And it appears they want to go up and get that spike high from yesterday. All right, new candle. It's on top of that resistance and just below the second standard deviation. Now we've got to take out 01 quarter, which is that daily double top. If that doesn't go, we could get a failure here, but with 5,100 net buyers, I wouldn't be wanting to short. Come on, rip the top of that can right off the day high. Anybody that's shorting that double top, I think is going to get foobarred. Straight buyers here, guys. Here we go. Big push to 05. Oh, we just hit 04 hat, 75. 05 is former weekly resistance. Okay. This has to go, and they tear the can off this. They tear the can off this above 07. They tear the can off this, guys, above 07. If anybody is long from lower, 13,040 is your target. If you are not, wait for a pullback, although it's 1054. I'm not even paying attention to bots. Look at this YM. YM has a $580 runner. I'm not even paying attention. I'm so myopically focused on what we're doing. All right. I just scalped my second PA account. I'm done with PA accounts, guys, unless I get I can't trade anymore. I can't buy up here. Guys, we're closing in on the end of the session. First thing, do any of my trials, assuming my trials are in, have any questions? How about my members? Any questions? Is there anybody today that did not make money? Is there anybody today that did not make money? Okay. Next order flow class will be in the first or second week of April. Nice job, Robert. Nice job. See you tomorrow, Jacques. You're welcome, Nolan. Robert, next order flow class is in April. If anybody is actually if you've never taken the order flow class, I strongly recommend it. The cost for the order flow class is $59.97 minus whatever you've paid for the bot. So if you've bought the bot, whether it's a 2-instrument bot, a full version, you paid $16.97 or you paid $24.97, just subtract that from the $59.97. That includes the order flow indicator as well. And it's about a 7-month course. Okay, JC. For those of you that, maybe work. Okay, Robert. The classes are recorded and they are sent to you. So you have, whether you're in the class or not, you're still getting the class. Whether you come, once a week to the class. But in my humble opinion, it is well worth the investment and will change your ability to trade. All right, fellas, it's 10:58. I'm going to shut. Let me give you bot totals for the day. ES is up $150. Gold is up crude is up 170. The crackhead is up 595. That's been off most of the day. Gold was up and is now in this short. Gold was up $10 and is now in a short. So this could be up $190 if that goes to target. And I don't know where YM is. I have no idea. I think that's the best birthday present you can give yourself. Let me see here, guys. I'll tell you where this is. All right, based on where the YM is currently, YM would be up about $275, but who knows where this is going? Let me see. This is going to 780. So everything is green today. Again, gold is coming down. And let me see where I was here. God, yes. I told you when we came in today, if we broke out above 4,000, we'd probably see an epic short cover. ES is now headed to 38 to 40. And I mean, above 40, 50. Look at this rip. This thing just ripped again. They are ripping. It's a short cover rally. Ask me how many calls I have. The answer is none because I get too busy with God dang it, man. Deepak, are you there? I mean, this is how pissed. Deepak, are you there? Do me a favor. Look at this, guys. We're just going hooey shit. At 1025. All right, gold finished up 180. At 1025, tell me what QQQ 312 calls were. What were triple Q 312 calls at 10:25 a.m.? 10:24.